Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak sngau bhalang dhar uloong baga jingsna ya kejaka yang kali hapanong light park bat hanan pelong kan long klem kanu jingpen klem watang ye iwi iding ru. Haba jubab ya kejengkeli ke belawanra u Emily ka not Shillong ubak Adelbert Nongrum hapo ke yang dorbar mentagasngi ubak sngau bhalang uloong ba kanu ka kam baka sorkar kala penkre ki kam penroi kam tam kini ki artli ki jaka ka sorkar kala bu hakmat ya kamariang bat kan om ye pen satya uloong baka jingjur ke jing sakut kali hanong ba kala jubor bha ha ka bakat kum ka kai phot ka jingstat kalong tang khanyau kilometer ha ka kenta ka badai arpsan kilometer banya ha ka shikenta uloong baka sorkar kanom kta watang ye iwi iding ru haba ka wanra ya kum kini ki kampen roi uloong baka sorkar klashna ya ke jaka yang kali hanigrims Henry kamsham lakta ai watang ye iwi iding ru ka jinghe kanan pelok kalong khat riu point ar akar kat baka phanang lot park ka he phra point san akar ka jingshna ki jaka yang kali kan long sau point phra akar ai halor ka jingkali uba delbert ban pleno ya ka surak hathem yo molong sa wayun menteri rangba uba preston tensong loong baka sorkar kan sa bishar ban pleno shen uloong baka sorkar ka haban bishar bha khnang ba kani ka yedeiru baka songsok songsan.
Traffic congestions and improve accessibility for the residents and visitors. The goal is to enhance public utility while safeguarding our natural heritage. B. So the redevelopment of Watts Lake project is still in the DPR stage, and the redevelopment of the Panong Light Park project is currently in the concepts and design stages. Effort will be made to minimize tree cuttings. This follows the successful example of the Urban Affairs Department, which created a new parking recently just opposite Nigrims without cutting any single tree.
So in this very same regards, how to remove that barricade, my demand is that because I'm the local MLA of that constituency, because I have seen that it is useless, it is meaningless for putting that barricade, as the government itself is not the problem solver, but it is a problem creator. Because of that reason, so in that very day when I met Deputy Chief Minister, he had make a phone call and have a conversation with respected DC. So he had conversation in front of me. I don't know what decision has been taken, but now 7 months. So now again, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister had give a promise, his promise, but I don't know whether that promise will come to reality or not. Please give a specific assurance. What is the mind of the government?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I think the honourable member from Shillong North, yes, he has already shown his concern, even the concern of the government, because the traffic is so much towards Matran and then even to Yeomalong side. So recently, yes, we had a meeting. And sir, it is not only the government alone where we can just say open it up. But we need also a detailed input, because this one link also with law and order problem. So we have already instructed the district administration and then the SPs, where ultimately I think very soon they will give us all the details input, and we would like to make sure that the entry of that stretch be made open as early as possible.
These are yes. And E. So the government has conducted through several studies to identify the key factors contributing to traffic congestions in the Shillong city. These studies include the blueprint to decongest Shillong, designs by the Home Police Department in consultation with IIM Shillongs, and the Comprehensive Mobility Plan 2024 by the Urban Affairs Department. And these studies reveal the following gaps in tackling traffic congestions. A. Limited road width. 80% road are less than 7.5 meters. Unlimited road capacity on street parking reduces road capacity by 30 to 40%. C. Increasing number of private vehicles, high vehicular growth rate at 17.5%. F. SAR does not arise in view at the above.
Minister in charge with regards to the decision to proceed with road widening and creation of new parking spaces at Wards Lake and Pan Nong Lai. So the first question is, what is the total area of Pan Nong Lai Park and Wards Lake?
Mr. Speaker, the total area of Wards Lake which is inside is 16.27 acre. And the Pan Nong Lai is 8.5 acre, and there is two portions in Wards Lake. One is inside, one is outside, which proposed for the parking. For parking proposal, 4.8 acres.
How much area do the government plan to take from the existing?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that the concern of the honourable member, and the question is very clear. And I have replied very clearly also. Yes, I know. We need developments. Considering the facts that no compromise on environmental issues. Every project that has been prepared, whether under PUD or tourism or urban, please keep in mind there is certain guideline laid by the Forest Department, especially if it goes to the Forest Department land. And number two, about the traffic congestion, there is a committee which is headed by the Chief Secretary, which is in line with other different departments, and the committees, the blueprint is already there. Hopefully that is why we have to come such a comprehensive approach like widening of road. Does not mean when widen the road to just cut random the tree and to destroy all the beauty. That is not the meaning. I know the concern. We are all the same concern, I think. But please allow the government to work. So I think even yesterday the Minister replied very clearly. Yes, we cannot compromise on environment. That is very clear. So, as urban minister, I think it's my responsibility to see sometime if there is a ways and mean, if there is possibility to widen some portion. You know very well now, the traffic problem in the state is very, very crucial. Now only 17 km per hour as per the study, which it should be 35 km per hour in the road. So therefore, I have requested the member, please bear with us. We will take care of all this into consideration. Even I said example in the main reply. Recently we construct a parking lot just opposite Nigrim. Just go and have a look at it. There is not even a single tree cut by the department, which has been departmentally done, in which we can accommodate around 100-150 parking. So beautiful made. So we are trying to follow the same model in order to avoid destroy all the demonstrators. So this is I want to clarify regarding to your question.
So while putting this question, it's not that we as a party, we are rigid to any development. We are not against any development. But let me remind, in the name of development, our right has been snatched away. That through experiences. Okay, let me put a second supplementary. In the past, we have heard that talk about a proposal for a flyover from DC office to Morfran with an alignment that will not touch Police Bazaar. May I know from the Minister in charge what is the status of this proposed flyover?
I would like to avoid honourable member. The question, the principal question is related only with Wards Lake and Pan Nong Lai. I'm not going to reply, which is not related with my principal question.
It's impossible to accept. Okay, nevertheless,